Guys, when was the last time na nagsakay kayo ng jeep?
Last month?
Last month?
Yeah.
Ikaw, Neil. When was the last time, bro?
Natatandaan ko pa nung bata ako.
What the?
Mga...
You can do that, bro. That's my thing. You can do that, bro.
bro.
That's my thing. That's my thing, bro.
mga ano pa ako, college.
Putang
I know.
ina, college ka pa
No, hindi,
nag-jeep?
hindi.
Last year.
Grabe naman yan.
No. Mga...
Iba talaga ang trinil, no? Hindi na nag-jeep ng ano.
Jeep ako. Kahapon lang.
May kapul. Wala si Idol.
Ulul! Puta kapon lang. You had to like think that long. Nah, bro. Stop the cap.
This guy, bro.
I am the cop.
John. This guy, bro. John.
Puta,
what's your-
parang hirap
last
naman
year,
kausap
bro.
nitong isang to.
Last year ata, last year.
Last year? Okay. What do you think is, ano yun, yung fare ngayon? Minimum fare ngayon sa jeep. Ngayon
It's
na.
like 11.
Ngayong July 31.
13
11
pesos.
Ikaw, John. 11 sa'yo. Ikaw,
13
Neil,
pesos.
13. Ikaw, Ken.
13. Pero yung pumunta ako dito, iba yata per nila per ano eh. Kung gano'n kahaba. So, yeah.
Holy shit.
Kita nyo, alam ko kasi kakasakay ko lang kahapon.
14. 14 yan. Wala po.
Ina yun, ano. Tama, Ken.
Holy
Tama
shit.
ko.
Tama yata. Not sure. Kasi
13,
bibinayan ko
Kasi
eh.
kakasakay ko nga lang kahapon.
God damn. Ako kasi, kayo 13. Kayo,
Eh?
kakasan nyo 13. Okay. Ako, I was playing around between 8 to 9 pesos.
Na,
Putang ina. Ano ka?
nung di pa tayo
Baka
tulino
nung high school
siguro.
ka pa.
Oo.
Gago
Move
dumating
on,
ka sa...
bro.
Hindi gago. Nag-jeep ako dito sa, dito kila Lilan. Tanga na, ganun yun eh. 9 pesos papuntang ano.
Kailan ka ulit nag-jeep?
Sa mali.
Sige.
Kailan ka
Oh.
Kailan ka huli ba
Kailan
huli?
ako nag-jeep?
Ah.
Kahapon.
Oh, shit.
No, kahapon. That's why I'm
Imposible.
asking. That's why I'm asking. Okay, that's why I'm asking you guys. Kasi this is my story, alright? Oh, nag-jeep ako kahapon kasi iniwan ko yung kotse ko, pinaayos ko somewhere.
Uy,
So
yaman.
I had to like take a jeep para sunduin yung ano ko or yung pauwi ako. So, the day nung iniwan ko yung kotse ko doon sa parang casa doon sa sa
Pagawaan.
technician,
Yeah.
pagawaan. Jeep ako pabalik, pauwi. Eh, ang lapit lang naman nung mga pagawaan dito, di ba? So, sabi ko, okay. Now, be me, haven't taken a jeep for more than a year. Di ko alam kung magkano. So, ako, tinatansya ko na lang.
Ah.
Kung
Binigyan mo
magkano.
20 para safety.
Hindi. Okay, here's the thing. Di ba may safety tayo? That would be the
that's
logical
safety.
thing, di ba,
Yeah.
Ken?
Mhm.
That would be the logical thing. Ako naman kasi, ang lapit-lapit lang. So, like, wala pa siguro mga 10 seconds, nandun na ako dun sa paparahin ko pagkasakay ko, di ba? So, ayoko yung driver maghahalongkat pa ng maraming barya.
Ah,
So ako, I
okay.
went, ang safety ko doon, nabigay ko was 10 pesos.
Ah.
Sabi ko, 10 pesos. Alright? Kasi I thought it's like 8 to 9. Dude, he can keep the fucking piso or 2 pesos. Sabi ko, yun yung sa isip ko, di ba?
You're being generous pa.
Iisip ko tuloy yung driver. Puking ina, ano to?
Bukas ba ako sa 2012?
Wait na. So, nabot ko, di ba?
Oh.
Ayun, nabot ko.
Then proud ka pa.
So, yung driver,
Ano
sabi
sabi
ni
niya?
driver, tinas niya yung tinas yung 10 pesos ko. Tinas yung 10 peso coin. So, ako, sa loob-looban ng isip ko, akala ko tinatanong niya, parang, alam mo yung gesture na para saan to?
Ah, pa saan ka pupunta? Ganun.
Saan to? Sabi ko, ano sabi ko? Diretso.
Kago ka.
You know what I mean, di ba? You know what I mean, di ba?
Diretso.
Diretso kasi may
Okay.
bridge. Okay. Diretso lang. Tapos pagdating ko dun sa unang kanto, yung bago mag-save more, nagpara na ako. Sabi ko, okay, good.
Ah.
Goods na.
Yeah, goods na.
Right. So next
Ano
day,
pa ba ka?
next day, balik ulit ako dun sa, sa pagawaan.
Ah.
So, it was like, so jeep ulit. Sakay ako. Sabi ko, okay, 10 pesos. Ay, actually, yung di ba kahapon, yung the day before, baba ako sa jeep. Sabi ko, I feel so good. Sabi ko, ang generous ko naman.
Bait-bait mo naman.
Hindi ko na hiningi yung sukli ko. So, yung sunod na ride ko sa jeepney.
Sinabihan ka na.
Hindi. Wait lang. Wait ka jeepney. Sakay ako. Kuulit ako ng 10 pesos. Sabi ko, boss, dun lang po sa may
Unang
sa may-
kanto, ganun.
Hindi sa unang, basta yun. Doon lang pa, malapit lang. Tapos, lang ako, chilling sa ako. Sabi na, boss,
Kulang.
saan ka? Ay, doon nga lang po. Kulang to, boss. Ay, magkano po ba ngayon? Magkano po ba yung, 13 pesos po, kulang pa kayo ng 3. And I'm like, ay, okay, sorry. Binigyan ko na yung 3 pesos. Ngayon, habang nakasakay ako, nagpa-flashback sa
Kahapon.
sa isip ko, yung kahapon, na gumanito yung driver, tinaas niya yung coin, yun pala, hinihingi niya, like, he was like, instead of asking kung saan ako bababa, he was probably thinking, bakit 10 pesos na ito binigay mong tago ka?
So you are
Tangina.
thinking na, damn, I'm so generous, pero yung baliktad pala
Kaya
yun.
pala, barat
Baliktad pala.
You're
sa
so
isip
kupal
na.
pala. You're so kupal.
Inisip na lang ng jeep na baka walang-wala na yung taong
Oo,
yun.
wala rin tao. Why not, bro?
Putang ina yan. Hey, To be honest, my jeepney I didn't even take like 5 seconds. Pero still, you know.
Dynamic.
Sana nilakad mo na lang daw.
And it made so much sense yung ano. Sabi ko, oh my God, I'm so detached from reality, bro. Pero grabe, 13 pesos na pala ngayon.
Taas na ng
Holy
padaas,
shit.
yes.
Ang
Ano
taas
na?
pala.
Piling ko dati pa.
Dati
Hindi,
pa, dati
like,
pa.
Ngayon, dati
nabutan
pa.
ko pa dati yung mga, mga 10, 11.
Ako,
Gago, naabutan ko
ano
nga
na
ano eh. 7 eh.
Doon ako
Paglipat
7.
ko dyan.
Yeah, nabutan ko
Paglipat
dyan.
sa ano.
High
Sa
school,
QC.
6 pesos, man. Hindi ko na naabutan yung mga 4 pesos, 5 pesos.
Ay,
That
hindi.
was
Sana
too
na
cheap.
nasiguro natin ng ano yun.
Oo.
Mother na yata natin yun.
Pero 6 pesos naabutan ko pa yun nung high school.
Naabutan natin dyan
College, I
7
think
pag
7, 8.
tuwing pupunta tayo dun sa kainan dun sa dulo.
Diba? So it wasn't that long. It was probably 8 years, 5 years ago.
But goddamn!
But yeah,
Maganda,
but
bro.
goddamn, 13 pesos. Holy shit!
Mahal na kasi ang
Goddamn.
gasolina, guys. Oh, mahal ang gasolina.
So yun po yung kwento ko sa jeepney po. Kayo po ba? May mga kwento po ba kayo, mga boss? Mga
Yes.
kwentong barbero? Ano po yun, boss?
Ako,
Kami
dyan.
nagbarbero. Ito yung kwentong barbero.
ako may kwento
Wow.
kasi.
Oh shit,
Yung
maboy Ken
father ko, jeepney driver father ko, so usually ako yung konduktor. Ako nakaupo pa ako dun sa pinaka, alam mo yung tapatan ng
Ay,
basura.
ikaw yung nag-ano.
Yeah, gaganon ako nag-ano.
Damn,
Yeah, ako nag-abot na sa
bro,
kulay.
holy shit. Ken
Me and
Lore,
my
okay.
sister, nagagumaganon.
Ilan na
Oh,
pera mo,
damn.
Ken? Ilan na pera mo?
Ano na meron ko? What do you mean?
Ay,
What do you
okay
mean?
ba? Wala.
What do you mean, bro?
Di pala to katulad
What
ni Manila eh.
What the
Ano
fuck?
ba yan?
What do you
Whoa,
mean?
What the hell? What is happening? What do you mean there, bro?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the fuck is that?
Meron kaming pampasaheroan dati.
Oh, ay,
Makikikonduktor lang ako ng mga 2-3 oras. Pag uwi ko, may pang-computer na ako 3 araw.
what the fuck?
Whoa, holy shit.
This guy, bro.
How much
Kada
we
ikot,
talking
isang
about
daan.
here? Damn, how much we talking about here, bro?
Kada ikot, isang
How
daan.
much we talking? What do you mean kada ikot isang daan?
Like
Oh,
isang
daan.
ikot, like,
Ah,
takes
okay,
like 30
okay.
minutes.
Kada
Kada ikot ng ano, Jet.
Wala kasi may
Oh.
rota kasi yun, di ba?
May rota, may rota.
Ah.
Yun yung mga panahon na 6 pesos, 7 pesos. Ano.
Okay, so
Mas
wait.
madali.
So ilang ikot ka per day?
Di ko malala eh. Di ko malala eh.
Anyways, I mean, if you're taking 100 pesos per ikot, ilan yung nakukuha mo? Sige, magkano yung na, ano mo, na nakukuha mo? Mga 200, ganun?
Puta,
Per day?
Hindi ko na malala yung akin. That's elementary ako nun eh.
I don't know, like, mawawala na 500.
Putang inang yan! 500
Pero no
a
bullshit,
day?
no bullshit. Kung meron nga kasing ganun dati, na ano ko lang, ngayon ko lang na kung may sarili kang pasaheroan mo, you can literally earn thousands a day.
Yeah. Dude, 500 a day? That's like...
Bro, not even a day,
Di
it's like
ba yan
hours
parang
lang.
araw-arawan ng isang laborer? Putang ina.
No, the thing
Ay,
is,
yo,
yung
ngayon iba na.
ginagawa
Iba
kasi
na,
namin,
magkano na?
may, alam mo yung ginagawa sa mga taxi na may drivers, ganun lang. Like, they just need to give in some amount, 3-5 siguro, na ginamit nila yung multicab and then yung sobra nun sa kanila na, syempre, may gas na yun and everything. Pinagas na nila, pina-full tank na nila. So, parang
meron,
ganun, like,
meron.
they can, kahit even though driver ka sa isang ganun, tapos, ano, may tawag sa ganun, may term, ano ba term sa ganun?
Boundary yata tawag dun eh.
Ayun ba ganun?
Yun ba
Ganun
yun?
ba yun na?
Eh,
Quota.
kunyari,
Oh, yun. Basta yun. May laki pa rin ang kita nila, legit. Pero sabihin na lang natin kung ikaw yung may-ari mismo ng ano. Tapos parang
Yes.
trip-trip lang na, damn, you know what? It's Sunday. Tara, mag-ano tayo.
Mag-colorum tayo.
No,
Ayun,
hindi,
that's it.
di sa colorum, may ano ka, may sariling prangkisa ka.
Parang kisa ka.
Oo.
Like, ikaw mismo magdadrive. Pag nagdadrive yung dad ko kasi di papasok yung driver, wala, alam na.
Oo.
Siyempre, pagtapos niya, rekta agad siya sa Tong Eats. Ako naman, rekta sa computer shop.
Putang ina.
damn bro.
God damn.
Ay, puta, ubus na. Tara na, masahero na tayo. Let's go. That's a good shit.
Goddamn bro.
As needed ang putang ina.
So
Pero
fun.
still,
Fun
man,
times, fun times. Kala ko si Ken, ganun
Fun
eh.
times,
Like,
bro.
Nah, not really.
Ah,
Fun
Ken,
fact,
ilan ba sa'yo?
fun fact, kaya favorite number
Di
ko
ka
yung
ba nangingi?
34. Hindi naman. I don't know. Kaya fun fact, bakit favorite number ko yung 34? Kasi yung jeep namin, body
34.
number nun is
Kobe?
34. 34.
34. Damn.
Pero sadly, nabenta na yun kaya, you know. Umalis na kasi AirPods ko papuntang Dubai. Tapos ngayon, yung lolo ko hindi niya na kaya mag-drive. So, wala nang choice kundi binenta yun. No? Kung
Dapat ikaw na
nag-longgo
nag-drive.
pa kayo, tapos nakita niyo yung old kabalan na jeep na brown, 34. That was used to be ours.
Dami ng brown.
Holy shit, 30. Bilhin natin galit kan.
Ayaw ko kung available pa na, I don't know.
Gawa tayo ng
Na-repaint na,
Jessica.
pre. Na-repaint na.
Wala na yun.
Na-repaint. Hindi, ganun pa rin yun. Brand pa rin yun for sure.
Ginawa na
Kasi ano
69
yun
nga.
eh. Body number yun. Practice yun eh.
Ano may mga jeep na
imagine.
may mga fucked up na drawing. Siguro. Mga anime characters.
Oo.
Yung
Sa Olonga
mukhang-
po kasi color-coded kami. Doon ako na culture shock sa Manila. Kasi sa Manila, like yung jeep, parang lahat stainless na
Bardagulan.
kung ano-anong reward. Kung
Bardagulan,
ano-anong
yeah. Yeah,
kung
Bardagulan,
ano-anong
gago.
kung ano-anong design. Doon sa Olonga po kasi may ano kami, may color-coded. Kunyari,
May
Santa Rita,
sistema.
kulay yellow.
Soda.
Kaya kaya hindi ka na maliligaw. Like, di ka malilito. Dito kasi,
Dito,
usually placard eh.
Kailangan
maganda
pag may
mata mo
dadaan na jeep.
Eh. Parang
Ano
hindi
na-
ba
ano
yun?
yun?
Nakagano
SM
pa ako
North
eh. Ano santo?
SM North ba yun?
Sa North na ba
Parang
yun?
nga po, yun lang. Kulay lang titignan mo. That's it, bro.
Yeah, I think I like that system. Yung
Yeah, mas
ano,
maganda yung
kulay.
system.
Kasi,
Kaya color-coded.
kasi isipin mo, may ibang tao, ang lit-lit kasi ng ano, di ba? Nung
Yeah.
mga signs.
Yung
Sign,
signage.
signboard.
What if-
Yeah.
Pati yung gilid, di ba? So, what if, like, ang tanda mo na, or like, you have visual impairment, di mo na makita. Pero ang palatandaan mo, tangina, yung jeep na lagi mo sinasakyan, laging si Urza Scarlet from Fairy Tail.
That is fucking true.
Oh,
Kung
may
ano,
ano, may-
weird
basta may
dito eh.
design.
Ay, puta, ayan na. Oh, shit, ayan na yung, jeep na may, si Hitler, tapos si yung ano
Si
nung
Goku
Russia,
magkatabi.
Si Goku magkatabi.
Si Sailor mo. Ayan na yung jeep ko pa uwi. Oh, shit.
So
Yeah, I
weird, bro.
like that system.
Good times,
I
bro.
actually like that system.
Ah,
Good
good.
times, bro.
Good times, bro. Good times.
So you don't remember kung magkano yung kinita mo dati?
Di, binibigay ko naman sa papa ko yun eh, after.
Wow.
Wala ba,
Hindi ka
ba?
And then,
nangihingi.
like, how many hours per day ka gumaganon?
Depende, pag wala lang ako pasok. Kunyari, Sabado, Linggo, minsan kasama ako, ganun.
Wala ka lang magawa
Like,
talaga.
buong araw na yun?
Eh.
Holy shit. So may ikot-ikot lang kayo.
Ikot lang
Damn,
sa,
bro.
ano,
Wala ka pa bang computer nung time na yun, ha?
wala pa. Elementary pa lang ako nun eh.
Sabi na
Elementary
eh.
pa lang ako nun.
Sabi na
Nagka-
yung
nagka-computer ako,
nakasira
laptop,
ng
grade
pagiging
6 eh.
conductor eh, gago eh.
Tama. Probably when you were a kid, you were like, damn, this is the best thing ever, bro.
Yeah.
Just riding the Jeep. Fuck yeah, man.
Wala na yun, okay? Wala na yun.
Ano yun.
Hopefully, it's still there, oh.
It's so sad, wala na yun.
Wala na nga.
Alright.
Now we only have Neil, bro. Which sucks.
Now
you
we
know?
only have Neil, bro. Fuck,
Puta ko.
man.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Taas, tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Alright.
That is it.
Good lore. Good
Good lore, bro.
Good lore,
Unpack.
good lore.
I like that. I like that. Anything else?
Nothing,
Diba
bro.
May mga ano pa kayo?
Wala na.
What do you mean?
Wala naman.
Okay.
Maganda yung segment na yan na pag-usapan
Ay, gago,
natin
meron pa
mga
isa.
discarding
May
yung
kwento
nung
pa
mga
meron.
bata kayo,
shit.
di ba?
Oh, sabi ko sa iyo, meron pa yan eh. Oh, go. Okay.
Meron pa isa, or. I feel bad na ginawa ko to, pero pinagalitan
shit.
ako afterwards. Kasi sumakay ng jeep ng brown na old kabal, pauwi na ako. Then, 20 lang yung pera ko. Then, me, as a kid, puta, yung sukli sa akin, pang 100. Eh, natulala ako, shit, this is so much money, bro. So, umuwi ako. Sinabi ko sa tatay
He
ko,
got
puta,
tested, he got
pinagalitan ako. What the fuck? Ako, jeepney rider yung tatay mo, tapos, ano pag ginawa sa akin na iba yun, di ba? Parang ganun. So, parang, shit, bro, I feel bad afterwards, bro.
Can't believe you've done this.
Why you do this? So afterwards nun, sinabi ko yung body number, yun, binalik. And that's it, bro. For memory, bro.
Oh, wait. So, you actually returned the money back?
Yeah, kasi,
Whoa,
odd kabalan, kasi
damn,
isang
bro.
ruta lang naman yun eh. Magkakakilala sila doon for sure. So, yeah.
Putang, naku, ako yung tatay mo. Sabi ko, good job, son.
Data, bro.
Let's fucking use this to buy something. Yeah.
Yun lang.
Damn. I
Natulala
would
lang
never,
ako.
bro. Holy shit.
Damn, this is so
Parang
much
ano,
money, bro.
Parang yung
Sabi-
alam mo yung viral
sabi-
ngayon not really viral pero napanood ko lang na video yung nakamotor siya. Bigla siyang magpa-park kasi naka-stop red light. Bigla siyang magbabayad. Paabot po, ganun. Tapos babalik ka sa
Umano
motor
siya,
niya sa
nag-
alis.
Nakita ko,
Sobrang
nakita ko
confused
yun.
siguro ng mga pasahero doon. What the fuck just happened?
What the-
Binayaran niya yung winan 2-3 niya dati. Okay, by the utang niya. Ilagyan. Then W can
W
stand
can, bro.
for
Tama,
tama.
accountability,
W,
bro.
bro.
I would never, bro. I would absolutely never. Tangina. Ako, kukunin ko pa sa anak ko yan. Tangina, bakit mo ginawa yan, anak? Ha? Masama yan. Akin na yan. Ibabalik ko yan sa
bulsa mo.
And then,
Sa bulsa.
Yeah, I would do that.
Matabag.
I would actually absolutely do that, bro. God damn.
That is it, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
Good lord drop. Good lord drop. I like that. Okay. Anything else?
Nothing, bro.
Hindi, wala ka bang lord drop dyan, Neil?
Nag 1, 2, 3 ka ba noon? Ganon.
Doesn't have to be a Jeep story.
Tama.
Doesn't have to be a Jeep story, bro.
Siyempre, jeep ang usapan nyo. Kailangan jeep, di ba?
It doesn't have to be, pero ikaw, meron ka ba? Ako may isa pang kwento, pero hindi to Jeep. Okay. So, may pinost ako, di ba? Yung IELTS ko, yung English test, yung
Pinost mo?
certification.
Nag-post ka?
May pinost ako, So, so I passed it.
Mm.
So, ang IELTS, just to give context sa mga tao dyan, IELTS is like, I forgot, basta English proficiency test siya na ginagamit if you're trying to migrate abroad or if you're trying to work abroad. So, in my case, I'm trying to migrate to the UK. Kailangan kong ipasa yung IELTS B1. So, there are different tests for IELTS. Merong written test, merong listening test. Yung akin, since hindi naman magtatrabaho doon, ang required lang sa akin is yung speaking and listening test, which is for some reason mas mahal kasi probably mas mahirap. Para sa akin nga, feeling ko mas mahirapan ako pag sa written eh. Like, I hate writing.
Why do you
Like,
even
the
need
app.
that shit yan? Like yung
Because
ano ba tawag
it's
dyan?
more of, kailangan ng certification na parang if you're gonna live here, you should be able to
Speak English, ganun.
communicate.
Ah,
You should be
okay.
able to communicate.
Is that for UK lang?
I think that's true for other countries din, like US, kailangan mo rin ng IELTS and all that stuff. Pero
Ah.
in my case, it's the UK. So,
That's
yeah,
weird.
I had to pay like fucking 10K for that shit just to certify that I can speak English. That's crazy,
Damn.
man. And I don't think I'm even gonna talk about the other costs for like para lang mag-migrate sa UK kasi goddamn hayop na yan. Kasi free healthcare doon sa UK, di ba? So, syempre, kung mag-migrate ka doon, hindi ka pa naman citizen, paano mo babayaran? Paano mo makuha yung benefits ng free healthcare? Eh di, may babayarin kang health surcharge, which is a lot of money. Fuck. Anyways, going back to my IELTS
damn.
exam. So, I did a bit of research kung ano itong B1 test na to. And it turns out it's just gonna be speaking and listening. So, sabi doon sa mga videos or sa Reddit posts, it's just, basically you're talking to someone online. And sometimes may partner ka sa tabi mo. Okay, na nagtitake din. So, you're gonna exchange, you're gonna talk to each other. Ganun. Ako naman, ito naman, inunahan na naman ako ng yabang. Sabi, I do this for a fucking living. I got this. Kung sino man yan katapat ko, puta, I will easy clap that person. Okay, goddamn. This is just a walk in the park for me. So I went there. Okay. And then, ayan na. Pinaris na ako. Dalawa lang kami on that day na magte-take. Sabi ko, okay. It was a girl. She looks like a fresh out of college pa, ganun. Sabi ko, okay. I got this. So, ang setup niya...
Ayog loko.
Ayun ka. No, bro.
Yeah, okay. Ang setup niya was like may screen dito and then may nagbi-video call doon na yung examiner. Okay. And then magkatabi kami nung
Hindi yan sa hindi lang online.
hindi siya online.
Face to face talaga.
Pinuntahan mo talaga.
I went to the office. Magkatabi kami, ng upuan, may pencil, tapos may mic dito. Tapos kakausapin namin yung examiner. Yung examiner, bibigyan ka ng mga scenarios, anuhin ka, may tatanong ng mga questions, gano'n. You just have to react to it. So, ngayon, nag-start na. Putang ina yung examiner. It was like, kamukha ni Khalil, bro. Sir, it was kamukha ni Khalil. Dude was like speaking in an Australian accent. Hindi UK accent. And halatang fake yung Australian accent niya. So, I was like, I was kind of laughing inside. Pero feeling ko, this is probably part of the test kasi hindi pwedeng neutral English accent eh. Kung nasa UK ka, you have to like discern or decipher yung accent din nila kasi ang strong ng accent ng mga Briton. So yun, anyways, first task namin, okay, I want you to talk about a degree you took in life and then ganyan. So ask the person next to you what your degree is and what you liked about that degree.
Oh,
Yan.
shit.
Pedigree.
So ako na nag-unan. Ako na nauna sa kanya. Tinanong ko na siya. Sabi ko kasi I got this. You know?
Yabang.
Easy, bro.
Sabi ko, I'm Gloco, bro. Like,
You don't know me?
sabi ko, okay, so, hi, hope you're doing fine. So, what degree did you get or did you take when you were in college? Sabi, tas alam mo yung sinabi niya? Sabi niya, I majored in languages. Ako naman, oh, cool, languages. So, which language did you take? Oh, I majored in English. Sabi niya. And I'm like,
Oh, damn.
Okay.
Damn.
Biglang nagkaroon ng life bar yung
Battle pala yan, boss.
Oh, shit!
May music, may boss
Second phase
music.
agad.
Puta, oh my god, I didn't know Elden Ring boss fight pala itong katapat ko. And bro, holy shit. Yung mga sumunod na mga scenario, dude, she was, and the thing is, like, akala ko, she was the real deal kasi she was answering in very, very concise English. Okay? Wala siyang mga filler words. Hindi siya yung tulad ko na parang sometimes I stutter, sometimes I stumble.
Ganun.
Hindi lang yun. Parang ang dami kong mga skibidi
Skibidi
brain rot,
toilet.
di ba? She was like talking out of a fucking book. Pero in a
Damn.
natural way. Like, ganun yung English niya. Concise, straight to the point, may laman. And ako, pang
Di
ano
ba
eh,
walang
pang,
laman?
alam mo yung pang yung ano ko yung...
Naging kanal humor ka.
Oo,
May
gago,
kanal
yung
humor ka.
English.
Kala mo
Yung English
aircon
ko,
ka,
alam mo
mayroon
na-
pang inverter mo.
Oh, gago! Puta yung English ko sobrang ano, alam mo yun sobrang, it was still natural, pero alam mo yun, ang dami kong mga filler words na bro could have just told this in like 5 words. Ako,
Pinahabang
sa kanya, 5 words lang yung sentence niya. Ako, putang na siguro 10.
Sabi
Just
nung
to
ano-
put my point across.
Sabi ng professor, magsulat ka ng essay na 1,000 words.
Ay,
Sigla ka
bro,
3,000.
ito nga, kasi napansin ko, like, si examiner, he can stop you at any point. Okay, while you're yapping. Okay, just to facilitate the conversation. So siya, nabubuo niya yung sentences niya, natatapos niya. Ako, while in the conversation, while I'm still yapping and explaining my shit, tanga na biglang nasabihin niya, okay, that's enough. Ganun nasabihin.
Oo.
Wait, alam ko
Is that a
kung
good thing?
bakit. Alam ko kung bakit.
Bakit?
Kasi feeling ko mas, para sa akin lang point of view ko, sa napakinggan ko, feeling ko mas yung examiner mas nagiging natural sa'yo. So, di kanya pinapatapos.
Well,
Diba?
hopefully
Para
that
sa
was
akin,
okay.
hopefully.
Malay mo,
that was
ganun
okay.
talaga
Pero-
sa'yo kaya may mga ganun rin na di ba?
Oo. Pero man, like, iba kasi yung tipong, dude, like, ganito na ako. Parang there were times na I was already stuttering and shit. Like, nawawalan na ako ng parang bala sa mga sasabihin ko. So, dun lang ako parang naliwanagan ulit na, damn, this is what a concise English major would fucking say. And she didn't even use like highly convoluted words. Like, simple words lang. Pero alam mo yung parang, damn, I wish I could have said this.
Ano yung convoluted?
Eh,
Ganun
Damn.
ako.
Si Gian pa nagsabi nun ah.
I like you, bro. I like using big words kasi
Convoluted.
I already forgot the simple words. Yun yung problema sa akin eh. Like, yung mga simple words, di ko na alam kung paano gamitin. And she used it masterfully.
So siya, like,
Fuck, man.
sobrang natural lang yung English niya, ganun.
Natural lang and it was so easy to understand. God damn. Sabi ko,
Goddamn.
"Tangina, this is what happens when you get brain rotted, bro." Ganito na yung ano.
Hindi, alam ko na bakit
Wala na
pinapento
tawa.
ng examiner.
Ah.
Nakilala ka nun. May siglo ko to.
Nah, bro.
Nah, bro. Stop it, bro.
Stop the cap. Stop the glaze, bro.
Stop the glaze.
Hops na,
and
puwe
then,
na,
dude,
tama na. Ganun.
Nandito pa ako. I fumbled once, bro. I fucking fumbled once.
Oh, shit.
Gian?
Dude, ang fumble ko is
What?
hindi ko na misunderstand ko yung question. There was like may pinaanong question, may pinaskill doon na question. And it was like a question within a question. So sabi daw, okay, you will now listen to a recording of 2 people talking about this and that. And while you're listening to this, I want you guys to answer the following question after. So ito yung question, tapos may follow-up question yun. Tapos na yung recording, alam mo yung putang, may fucking ADHD, bro. Dalawa kasi yung scenario na yun, sunod-sunod. So yung first scenario was about a film na ginawa ng isang estudyante. And then may mga details. Nakalimutan ko lahat yun. Okay, kasi yung sumunod na scenario was about bees. Okay, it was about bees, a show about bees. And I'm like, whoa, bees!
Damn.
So lahat ng
Neuron
attention
activated.
ko at yung focus ko was about the
bees.
recording about the bees. Tapos tapos yung pag-play ng recording na yun, yung tanong was about the first part, was about the film. Tapos ako, tangina,
Nasa
what the
bees
fuck
ka.
was the film about? Di ko na alam kasi like my mind was still about the bees, bro. Tangina.
Panggulo lang talaga yung beast.
Hindi ko na tuloy nasagot ng maayos yung
Pinaulit
yung
or what?
question about Hindi
Nasagot
na,
ng
tinagot
babae.
ko.
Oh.
Hindi, yung sa babae naman, yung tinanong sa kanya was about the bees.
Oh,
Ano
shit,
ba
sa kanya, pangalawa.
Daya, na ano ka?
God damn,
Ikaw
bro.
ang
I could've-
napili.
Bro, I would have answered everything about the bees. There also. Jesus Christ. Man, that was so funny. Anyway, ayun. After that, yun lang. There was a bunch of other scenarios and I think I did pretty good already doon. Tapos yung huling conversation namin was about like, what do you like about, may hobby ka ba? And sabi ko, anime. And then, ayun din, doon na kami nag-hit up na parang,
Damn.
she recently watched anime din. Sabi ko, okay, so which anime did you watch recently? Attack on Titan daw, ganun.
Damn.
Kasay kayo.
Ayun na. Tapos she talked about it in like, in a way na, alam mo siya parang gagawa siya ng
Recap.
essay about the fucking
Bigyan may
ano,
ka-recap
oo.
pa ba?
No, not recap, about like what, alam mo yung parang pag if you're talking about literature, so ano ibig sabihin nito? Ano yung message or yung
okay.
life lesson nitong nung
Ah,
anime
okay.
na to? Tapos she was
Natutunan
gonna
mo.
talk about that, okay, nung about Attack on Titan. Like, you know, it really puts into perspective that in life there's no actual enemy, you know.
Naging
it's-
philosopher.
Puta, Vinland
people
Saga.
are just- parang gano'n. Naging philosophical conversation na bigla. Tapos si examiner was like, okay, stop there.
You guys are too weak for me.
Come back. Hindi na siguro, hindi na kaya.
Stop the
Hindi na
cap.
kaya.
Stop.
Hindi na kaya ng examiner yung levels namin.
Ano
So,
sa
anyways,
examiner
yeah.
Pinoy?
I feel, Pinoy. Sabi ko nga, kamukha ni Khalil, di ba? Yeah, that was it. I passed. Tapos ang joke ko kay Deng Chan. Imagine if yung English major hindi nag-pass, you know? Like,
Those fucked up.
your English is too concise and simple for me. Sorry. You fail. Imagine that. But yeah.
Pero feeling ko may ganun.
Hindi eh. Feeling ko, kasi ang daming nagmamigrate ng mga Pinoy, ang daming nagmamigrate na ibang lahi na whose English is probably weaker than what we, you know.
Yun nga, kung ano
express.
pa, kung sino pa yung
So,
parang medyo weaker, yung pa yung parang minsan depende sa scenario siguro.
But yeah, but yun lang, just to give you guys a perspective of for those who are planning on migrating or working sa UK, ayun, yun yung pagdadaanan nyo. I think you guys are gonna do a harder test, which is written
Oh, shit.
with listening.
Ba't ikaw walang written?
That sucks. Yung akin walang written. Which
Why?
Is, oh my God, buti na lang.
Oh.
Kasi
So RNG.
Hindi, kasi hindi sa RNG. If you're gonna work
Oh.
as a skilled worker sa UK, kailangan mo ng written.
Ah,
You're gonna do
ikaw.
paperwork, you're gonna do ano. Ako, I'm just literally just going there so that I can live. You know, I'm just happy to be there. Parang ganun.
Damn.
Ah, I see.
Pero for some reason, mas mahal yung test ko. Because people think na written is easier than like speaking.
Oh.
Parang ganun. In my case, I hate writing so much. So, buti na lang. It all checked out for me.
I see.
But yeah, that's what happened sa IELTS kwento ko.
Eh, congrats,
How
bro.
about you, Neil? Thanks, man. Like,
So basically, para
ikaw-
mag-take ng ganyan or mag-require ng ganyan, you have to declare na magma-migrate ka. Not just
Yeah,
go in
yeah, yeah.
there
Ah, okay.
to visit or ganun. Okay,
yes.
that makes sense. Sabi ko, what the fuck? Kailangan pala yun pag like pupunta kasi may mga napapanood akong this one series na napapanood ko sa Facebook, yung mga galing Asian countries tas nagdadala ng mga contraband kasi 'di ba mga tea pero in their like
ano yan?
parang
Yung sa New
nakalimutan
Zealand
nila
ba yan?
nakalimutan nila mag-English na no I do kagano what the fuck, how did this guy pass the immigration? Parang ganun.
How did
Baka
this guy
ano lang.
get a passport for this? Ganyan, di ba? Basta
Baka
may
hindi
Australian
sila
passport
living dun. Baka ano lang. Yung parang,
Visitors.
Ayun nga,
Ano lang,
visitors.
trap.
Ayun,
Ano lang. Bakasyon lang.
No. Hindi, kasi the thing is like that guy, alam ko yan eh. Yun yung mga parang pumupunta sa New Zealand tapos may custom inspection. And then, tapos pinapakita nila na Australian passport sila, di ba? Kasi nahulihan sila ng mga kontrabando eh. Tapos bigla na lang, how is this guy not able to speak English when he has a fucking Australian passport?
Ayun nga, yun yung fucked up.
passport yan ha. So putang ina, hindi naman pwedeng makakuha ka ng Australian passport na hindi ka marunong mag-English kasi you're supposed to live there for like a couple, unless putang sobrang isolated ng community nyo na puro mga Chinese na kayo or kung ano man.
That's true.
So this guy was like, parang he was just he reverted back to his default settings just because
Kasi
nahuli
nahuli
na siya ng
na siya.
kontrabando niya. I don't know English. No, I don't know what that is.
Sinirapan
Big
siya pa
brain
yung
yan.
ano.
Okay, big brain. Yan na, big brain eh. Pag nahuli ka ng MMDA dito, Bisayahin mo lang yan. Once
Hindi ako
wala di tayo
Tagalog, boss.
nagkakaintindihan, umalis ka na dito. Utang ina.
King ina yan. Ikaw Neil, wala ka bang kwentong barbero dyan?
Kwentong barbero.
Anong barbero?
Oo nga, wala bang kwentang barbero?
Are
Ay,
you guys-
putang na
Damn,
passport.
those are some nice looking dice, bro.
Ikaw lang passport, putang.
Demo ba yan? Demo ba yan?
Nung unang punta kong Manila,
Ah.
para
Uy.
mag-OJT.
Oh, shit. OGT.
Nag-ala master ako sa daan.
Master, what do you mean by that?
Parang akala ko kabisado ko na. So,
Ah.
nagtry ako sumakay ng jeep papunta
Ay,
sa Tomas Morato. Pero Paquiapo
Okay.
pala siya.
So, naligaw ka.
Yung
layo
ending, bumaba na lang ako kung saan, tapos nag-grab na lang, nag-angkas na lang ako. So, kasi syempre, yung
Yan ang
time na yun,
kwento,
pawalan
Barbero.
na rin ako, wala na rin akong pera. Like, kung puro angkas ka ng puro angkas or puro grab ka, OJT pa naman ako nun sa Mineski. Tapos yun, tinry ko, baka ako yung daan na to baka makadaan to mas morato, di mas madali. Ano lang yun, 9 pesos lang or
So
10
you fucked
pesos,
around and
ganun.
found out.
Hindi
Yes.
mo man tinanong sa driver?
Hindi, tinignan ko lang yung
Karata lang.
karata.
Nakita mo yung may Tomas Morato.
May Tomas
Hindi
lang.
mo alam opposite
Kaya
side
po
niya
po, ano, oo. Kaya po, to ano,
Pabalik pala yun.
That happened to the best of us.
Yeah.
That's how you learn, you know? Like,
Tama.
you just need to find.
Nag-
Buti na lang may Google Maps na ngayon.
Tama.
May GPS.
Nagganyan
na.
ako pero sa Japan eh.
ibang
Ibang
platform
stage.
pala yung market mo.
Doon ko natutunan na may
Nagserver up ka pa pala eh.
mga
Oo,
times
kailangan
pala doon
sa
na
Japan.
nag-skip.
Ano yung masarap sa Japan?
Ayun, masarap.
Mawala ka.
Mawala ka,
Yeah.
baligaw ka.
Madali lang ba bumalik doon?
Hindi nakakalungkot, hindi nakakano, parang, oh my God, the sense of adventure.
Oh
Malamig
my God,
pa.
I unlocked a new fucking area.
Naka-aircon pa yung labas, kaya
Di mainit.
Kailan kaya? Kailan kaya ulit?
never.
Nah, bro.
Parang gustong sumama sa ano dyan, sa isa dyan
How
sa
about-
ano eh.
How about you join me, John?
Oh, yun o. Niyaya ka na, idol.
Si Jan lang
Gaga,
pala inaya.
huling Japan yan eh, for 5 years.
Yeah, join me, John.
Si Jan lang pala inaya kin. Grabe.
Wala pa naman akong pera. Okay lang yan.
Wala namang gagawin sa Japan eh.
That's true. That's exactly why.
Eh, ba't siya lang inaya mo?
Uy, gago, may
Para dyan.
paparating.
Para dyan. Let's show.
Nagkamali
Grabe yan.
ng padala ng invoice.
Uy, ano yan? Ano yan?
Padali na
Ano
invoice.
yan?
Ano yun?
What the hell?
Nagkamali.
Meron pala tayong budget eh. Puta. Si ano. Okay lang yan, Neil. Kahit hindi kita yayain sa Japan, may Japan ka naman dyan na anuhin. There's a little piece of Japan waiting for you.
Ba't saan?
Sa bahay ko.
Oh my God.
Spoiler.
Ayain mo kaya
Walking
ako.
distance
Ayain mo
sa
ngayon.
Japan.
Ayain mo ngayon.
Sige, tara Neil, Japan.
Oh shit.
Tira mo. Tara.
Ayain mo
Ina,
siya
pilit
dyan.
boy. Ang pangit.
Ina mo, di ba?
Ang
Pangit. Alasa, hindi bukal sa loob.
Hindi, sabihin mo
ka.
kahit ano.
Kasi alam ko na yung sasabihin mo eh. Hayop ka.
Sabihin mo na,
Paano
tara,
pag sinabi
mag-take
ko
ng pera.
oo?
Sabihin mo, tara,
Oo.
mag-take ng pera.
O,
Ganun.
tara oh.
Paano pag sinabi kong oo?
O, di tara. O.
Basta libre mo flight ko.
Hindi eh. O, tingnan mo.
See? May ano talaga, no?
Nga
Flight
talaga.
ko lang.
See?
Basta libre mo yung
Sayang lang
flight
laway
ko.
ko eh. Putang ina niya.
Flight ko lang. Ganyan.
Nag-seat sale na nga eh.
Oh, basta
Flight ko
libre
lang
mo.
ganyan. Pumayag ka oh.
Balikan,
Tara.
oh. Uy, puta.
Tara.
Oy, wow! Wow!
Hala. Oy, tara.
O, tara.
Oy, sagad daw na ganyan yung flight ko.
Putang ina.
Ang ina naman, paparinig ko sa...
Nagparinig lang po ka ng ina.
Babe, sagad daw na ganyan yung flight ko.
Pinanood ng podcast.
Di nga daw. Sure ka ba ganyan?
Oo.
Oy, oo daw.
Basta sabi niya, iba na kasi buhay mag-asawa. Ano ba? Tangina, ba't mag-Japan ka mag-isa, di mo ako kasama, di ba?
That is factor, bro.
Yan kasi tama.
That
Sabihin
is
mo,
fucking true, bro.
sabihin mo mga lalaki lang kasama niya.
Boys. Boys only.
Hindi, pumayag
Boys
naman
side
na. Bumayag naman na si
Babae
YT.
na, babae.
Basta daw may pang Japan ako.
Tama,
Hindi yung parang pang Japan na lang yung pera ko. Okay, magkaiba yun.
Magkaiba.
Magkaiba yun.
Gawa,
Okay.
pag na-shoot to, magja-Japan ako. Sabi mo. Gawa kang ganun.
Pag na-shoot to,
Basta nga, libre mo yung flight.
Tara.
ay putang ina.
Naboy,
Bahala sa hotel ko at pagkain ko.
Oh. O, tara.
Damn.
1 month to Japan. Tangina mo.
Doon ka madadali. Doon ka madadali.
Doon ako
Doon ka
nadali.
nadali, 1 month.
Doon ka madadali.
15 days lang yung visa tapos
Tapos yung budget mo pang 1 week, 2 weeks lang, no? So like 2 weeks lang na parang tulog ka muna sa labas.
Ano mainit naman sa Japan ngayon eh. Hindi
Gago
ka
na, wala
naman
pa ako camera.
mamamatay.
Ang gagawin mo lang doon, pasok ka sa 7-Eleven, bili ka ng pussy juice, tapos higa ka na lang
Ay,
sa gilid.
nako.
Higa ka sa daan.
ano yung tumutunog
Kapis
pag
sa Japan ka.
kada pasok ng ng convenience store? Hindi yun. Hindi yan.
Iba pa,
Boss
iba pa
fight
yun.
yan eh.
What the
Pag
fuck?
ino-open nyo yung kotse nyo. Oh shit! Ah! Japan!
It's time. It is time, bro.
The land of jingles, bro.
Sa'yo kasi hindi sumamay eh.
Magyaman tayo ulit.
Yan, bro.
Pero ang tunog ng kotse ko, gago, yung Family Mart.
Family mo yun.
Gusto nga ni wife na ganyan din daw yung tunog. Saan ba makakabiling yan?
Personal distributor si Gloco.
Ako yung distributor.
Idol,
niya.
meron ba ba?
Meron
Yung
yan.
voice box.
Oo,
Meron pa idol?
Melody voice box. Meron pa ako.
Kapit mo lang sa
Bili
PC
akin.
mo, tapos lagyan mo ng audio, okay? Pero silang website.
Uy. Oh shit, no bro. Famichiki.
Famichiki, bro. The Famichiki. Yun yung kakainin ko for the whole fucking
Calpis.
month. Gago, may kalpis na sa Daiso Japan. Sa Cubao meron.
Meron
Ano,
na.
kalpis
Yan.
soda?
Nasa Pampanga
na
na
melon?
tayo.
Kalpis soda.
Yeah, kalpis
Kalpis soda,
soda na
bro.
melon.
Meron nga dun.
Kalpis, pwede.
Meron nga dun sa Alabang, Kadiri eh. Sabi ko gusto ko lang yung
Bida.
kalpis.
Bida number 1, oh.
No,
Oy,
kalpis
di tayo
melon
sponsored
soda,
yan.
bro.
Ay, di pa sponsor, sorry. Bida,
Kalpis
baka
melon
naman.
soda. Come on, bro. Kalpis melon soda, man. It's good. Sa Daiso. Hanap ka ng Daiso dyan sa Pampanga. Should be good.
Nice.
So yeah, I'll go to Japan this coming September.
Oh my God, Daiso Japan.
Ah.
Meron.
What do you mean? Online? Pwede ka mag-order
Alpi
online?
Star Meal.
Can you?
Hindi, sige.
Can you order online? Nah, you capping. So yeah, September, I'll go to Japan, pero secret pa kung ilang araw ako doon at kung kailan. But yeah, looking forward to it. Sheesh. Pero yun nga, at least may a little bit of taste of Japan ang iiwan ko dyan sa bahay ko, sa Pampanga. And speaking of house,
Uy!
damn! It's finally happening. Okay.
It is.
Ang dami nagko-congratulate sa atin.
Congrats.
Kahit, dude, literally kagabi, punta akong Anytime Fitness, di ba?
Ah.
Like, may lumapit sa akin. Literally, guy just fist bumped me and said, congratulations sa bagong bahay. I'm like, oh, thank you.
Saan ka, pumunta?
What the fuck?
Anytime fitness.
Sa Anytime Fitness. Guy literally just approached me, fist bumped me, and, ay, congrats sa bagong bahay, Lods. And I'm like, oh. Ganun yung mga interaction ko now din sa mga tao.
Okay.
Yeah, congratulations sa atin. Big W is finally na-announce na. We got a house. Doon na titira yung PR kung hanggang kailan nila gusto, I guess.
Tama.
And it's literally right next to Nils.
Tama.
It was
Kinda.
It's just a
Kinda,
it's like
kinda,
a 2
pero
minute walk. It's just across the block.
It's like 5 minutes walk.
Anong feeling mo Nil na ganun na wala ka nang kawala sa amin?
Before that, i-clear lang na po namin. Tayong nagtatanong, bakit si Neil wala? Bakit si Chris wala? Bakit di sila lilipat sa
Oo nga, dami
PR?
ng tanong. Yeah.
Dahil
Oo nga,
po
bakit nga
may sariling place na po ako. Di ko lang
He's
pinapakita
a married
pa.
man.
Wait, hindi mo pa pinapablog
Hindi pa,
yung
hindi
bahay
pa.
mo?
Hindi
What?
pa,
Fuck,
yeah.
bro.
What? You've
Hindi
never...
pa.
Yun mo
It's
ba
an
yung
deal
reaction
yan?
video ni Gian kasi?
Yep, never. Hindi pa.
You never posted about your house.
Never.
Yeah, bro.
Marami pang
Nobody
di
knows na sa
nakaalam na-
Pampanga
Yeah.
ka ngayon?
Yeah.
What
Di pa alam
fuck?
nasa Pampanga na ako.
Tangina mo. So what? Ano yun? So did I violate NDA or something?
No, hindi. Gusto
Not
naman.
really.
Pero di pa nila nakita yung buong house. You know, that's the important
Easiest choice,
thing.
bro.
So wait, are you planning on showing off your house? Yung ano mo?
Pag naayos-ayos ko na yung mga
So
bagay-bagay
ngayon, hindi
dito.
pa.
Di ba maayos yan?
Wala ka
Ngayon,
pang launch.
hindi pa.
Wala ka pang soft launch ng bahay mo. Ganun.
Wala, pag sinipag ako mag-vlog, which is sinisipag naman na ulit.
Okay. So ito ang gagawin ko. Okay. Kasi ikaw,
Nag-react ka na sa ano.
balita ko, sabi daw ni Ken, binablog mo daw yung bahay ko. Ipopost mo sa Neil Diaz. So
Everyday.
gagawin ko, pupunta ako sa bahay mo, ibablog ko yung bahay mo.
Okay, pumunta ka this weekend, di ba? Pumunta ka this weekend, di ba? Sige, gawin mo yun.
Tingnan nyo. Okay, alam mo na pa
Ikaw mag-tour sa dito, sige.
Putang ina niya.
Ina mo bawian lang pala.
O yan.
Holy shit. Damn, so you really haven't posted. So what if nag-vlog ako sa bahay mo? Pwede ko i-post yun.
Ayos lang, gusto lang, oh.
Lang daw.
Spoiler
No problem.
yun. Spoiler yun.
No problem lang yun. Pero unahan na kita mamaya.
Tangina, sinipag bigla.
Hindi pagbigla. Dahil kailangan lang ng threat.
Tingnan natin. We'll see. I'll
Tingnan
buy it.
namin. Pero yun yung reason. And syempre si Chris ay may kasama rin.
Yep.
So, yun ang reason. Okay? Huwag niyo na po tanungin.
Yeah, they got their
Alright.
own plans. Okay.
In the
They got
future,
their
tama,
own
tama.
shit.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome naman sila doon eh.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Mag-MTG bigla.
Ganun rin naman si John siguro. Si John, si Ken.
Siyempre, meron the
In the
future.
future, di ba? Pero yung bahay na yun na kay Gloco is hindi mawawala. Yun yung ano doon. So, doon kami magmi-meeting, doon kami mag-MTG, doon kami kakain, ganun.
Oo, doon kami
True.
gagawa ng mga kababalaghan.
Yes.
Okay, doon kami gagawa ng digong buster.
Ayan.
Tama.
So, ayun.
Doon kami
Work from home.
maglalapag ng camera, ng CCTV, tapos mag-i-stream siya 24/7.
Oy,
Oh,
putang
shit.
ina, ano tayo? Bahay ni Kuya?
Tatawa na si Gloco doon.
Bahay ni Gloco.
Mga housemates.
Bahay ni
Tangina yun,
Gloco.
magbayad na kayo ng bills.
Galing sa UK yung boses eh.
Tangina.
Doon kami gagawa
Kasi
ng
may ganun
24 hours
camera eh,
challenge
pwede
na
nyo.
hindi
Meron,
matutulog.
Oo, gagawa ko CCTV. Mamonitor ko kayo doon po.
Doon kami gagawa ng challenge na 24 hours na gising na bawal matulog. Uy.
Ang ina mo, baka
ganun
pagtulog na
challenges.
hindi na tayo magising.
Ang dali lang yun, boss.
Ganun,
Tangina,
diba? Like wala kang
napakadali
gagawin. Mga ganun. Diba?
Napakadali lang nun, boss.
24 hours sa kwarto ng editors. Edit lang ron.
Putang
Pero
ina.
yeah, yun po. And sa tanong ni Glo kanina, ano ulit tanong mo kanina?
Ano ba tanong ko kanina?
Na wala na akong choice, wala na akong kawala sa inyo.
Wala
yeah.
na. Kakatok
Alam
na
mo,
ako
nung
doon.
naano ko nga yun, sa totoo lang, nung nalaman ko yun na ipupush mo yun, nalungkot ako.
Nagaga.
Fuck!
Hey,
May
yo,
peace and
bro.
quiet! This was supposed to be my thing! Ah! Okay na.
Natuwa ako kasi akala ko yung pagpunta ko rito is magkakahiwa-hiwalay na tayo. Like, magkakalayo na.
Nah.
Kinilig si
Then nung
Trident.
nalaman ko yun, oh my gosh. Sinabi ko lang naman to kay Gian. Like, wala naman akong makukuha dito sa ano na to. Nagpapahanap lang sila, yung may-ari. Like, ganyan. Kilala lang na
Kasalanan mo
Papa.
pala eh.
Tapos, oh my
Kasalanan
God.
mo pala.
Natripan ni Gian.
Ay, si
Tapos,
Neil ba may naghanap noon ng bahay?
Yeah, sana
Ay,
ganun.
puta, may porsyento to.
Papa,
May
sila,
porsyento ba
wala
to?
akong porsyento.
Ay,
Yun nga, sayang
puta,
nga. Sabi ko, sayang. Before ko sana sabihin, sana may porsyento.
Kahit 2%?
dapat
May
sinabi mo.
finder's fee ba?
Pero sa owner na dapat yun. Kasi
Oo,
ikaw
yung
naghanap
owner
ng
dapat.
bahay.
Ang puta, ako
Bobo mo.
naghahanap ng bahay. Ako pa yung magmimigay ng may bawal
Para
yung
pa, no?
puta.
Hindi
Owner
nga,
na
yun
yun.
nga, dun nga sa owner.
Sa owner na nga
wala.
yun.
Wala.
Bobo mo.
Di ka na gano'n, nag-negotiate. Kahit 5%.
Tapos inisip
Sayang
ko,
yun,
nako, baka naman siguro maghanap lang ng lupat, ko sa kaibigan ko, patungan ko na lang.
Si
Pero
Royce.
hindi. Ha? Pero hindi hindi ko rin inanuhan eh. If nagpapahanap siya dito. Kung gusto niyo
Meron
naman
yan.
dito, di ba?
Feeling ko meron din eh.
Ba
Mga
siguro
tropa
yung
namin
ano,
dyan, may mga lote pa po doon na na bukas.
Finder's fee lang sa akin.
Kausapin niyo lang yung agent natin na si Agent
Si
Trinil.
Agent Trinil.
kasi isang village lang tayo at dito tayo bumuo ng mga kagagawa.
Tapos magkakarmit tayo sa Rogues Passage.
Inan yan.
Ewan ko lang kung ipupush ni Royce kasi nagtatanong rin siya sa akin.
Feeling ko
Tingnan
one of
natin.
these days.
Tingnan
One
natin.
of these days.
Pero yun nga, masaya ako. I am happy.
Masaya ba yung asawa mo?
Oo naman.
Parang
Luluto
nagagalit na nga
raw
eh.
siya. Ay,
Feeling ko
yung
feeling ko
dalawa na
malulungkot.
di man lang nagbayad sa sopas eh.
Ay, sorry.
Pukiin na
Sarap
eh.
kasi masyado eh.
Busog na
Oh
busog.
my God, these guys, bro. I would never kasi hindi ako kakain dyan. Ayun na. So,
Ayan.
yun.
Well, speaking of bahay, may sasabihin ba ata si Gian eh, di ba meron ka pang hinahanap na
Ano?
baka may gusto pa magbigay ng sponsor. Mga gamit ba?
Oh,
Oy,
yeah.
tama,
that's true.
tama.
So,
But speaking of babae,
No, mabagay, what ba?
Ay!
bagay.
Bagay,
Bagay.
Kala ko speaking of babae,
what the fuck?
bagay.
What the fuck, Neil? What's wrong with you?
Mali
ikaw,
nang
Gian.
narinig.
So, yun nga, I'm actually pretty happy na, super big thank you kay Boss Anjo, okay, yung lead ng ako. It's like, dude, wala pa yung video, hindi pa napopost yung video. He already looked for sponsors for us.
Yeah,
Okay,
W
na
Mans, bro.
parang- mga interested lang na, to work on the project. And then, yun, we got Rain or Shine. And, oh my God, ayoko pa i-spoil kasi hindi ko pa na-upload yun. Pero may isa pang sponsor na hindi ko pa na-mention, pero they pledge something that will yung sinasabi kong will give a taste of Japan
Uy.
kay Trinil.
Uy.
And I'm very very happy with it. So makikita niyo yun sa isang future update ng ng house. And currently, we are still looking for other people who wants to pledge. May isa pa nga may gusto mag-pledge ng furnitures.
Ooh.
I'm in the middle of talking with them right now. So tingnan natin. And but
Lagyan mo na sa bahay rin ni Trinil.
pati sa bahay ni Trinil.
oo nga, oo nga.
Kasi wala kasing video
Wala
Puta,
kasing
ano,
video
baka
eh.
Sige, gawa
ma-market
na
yun,
ako.
Idol.
Baka
Ano natin ma-market yung bahay mo,
masama ako.
Idol, kung diba? Diyos ko po. Okay. And right now, siguro ang kulang na essential sa bahay na gusto nating kunin na sponsor would be probably appliances.
Uy.
Particularly a
Solar
fucking,
panel.
a refrigerator.
O rep.
Okay. Air fryer. Gas stove. Yung aircon
Yung gas
nabayaran ko
stove
na
naman
eh.
meron na dito.
Yung aircon meron na ako eh.
may nagkano sa akin aircon daw like multi siya?
Multi-watt.
Multi-inverter. Isa lang yung niya sa labas tapos multi na siya.
Well, ang dami pa kasi nating aircon dito na sayang
Madami
na
tayong
hindi
aircon.
gagamitin. So,
Oo.
yeah, yun na, gagamitin lang. We're just gonna reuse our old aircons. They're still pretty good. Pero yun, mahal din yung pag-reinstall. So, yun lang. Just letting you guys know, mahal nung
Probably
pag-reinstall.
8?
Pero,
8 summer 8 niya.
nung 8, no, bro. It's
No.
like 5 digits.
What the fuck?
To reinstall kasi may mga copper tubing pa yan, may mga pipings pa
Yeah,
yan
yeah, yeah.
na anihin and all that stuff. So, like, let's just say na just to reinstall like 4 aircons, it would take, parang ang presyo niya is like 2 aircons para lang ma-reinstall yung mga to a new house. So, there's that. Pero yun, we are looking for a sponsor for an aircon dun sa living area. Okay, so something around 2 to 3 horsepower.
Malaki kasi yun eh.
Oh, kasi malaki yung area, yung living area eh. So yun, hindi muna ako nagpalagay ng aircon doon. Sa mga kwarto lang natin. So you were looking for sponsors for that one, if ever man, may ano. And ano pa, solar panels.
Ayan.
It would be cool. It would be cool if we
It
had
would
a
be
solar
nice. It
panel.
would be fucking nice.
Oo. Furniture, any furniture, sofas, fucking shelves would be super appreciated. Tables, yung chairs. Ano ba? Ayun lang naman. May mga naglumapit na sa akin. Gusto mamigay ng 180 gallons na fucking
Yung sa fish.
fish tank. And I'm like, if I was living there, kung wala ako sa UK, I would. Like, bro,
Di
bring
namin
that shit
mamimaintain
over.
yun, eyeball.
G, hindi. Ayoko magbigay ng responsibilidad kila Ken, kila John, sa mga editors. Ang laki-laki ng putang inang fish
Hirap
tank.
linisin nun.
Oo, bro, wag na.
Esperano yung nakalagay.
Next time na lang siguro. kung medyo permanent na ako doon. Ano pa ba? What do you guys think ang kailangan pa natin doon?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Isang buong kitchen showcase. Kitchen siya.
Pero
What?
patro, bro.
Washing machine would be fucking
That would be
good.
nice. Para di na tayo
Dude,
tama.
washing machine dryer. Oh
Ay,
my
doon
God.
ako makikiwashing
Yung
machine.
all-in-one. Yung
Ang ina
all-in-one.
mo.
Ang ina.
Washing machine
Kaya
Kaya
ako
ako pa lang
Dryer.
ako kilagloko. Kaya lalaba lang ako.
Nakilaba lang. Plants will be appreciated. I mean, like, plants are nice. Kaya lang, di ko alam kung masyadong high maintenance yun. Pero plants in your house would be super cool. Other
Gym
than that, we're
equipment?
open. We're still open. As long as it's free and easily integrated sa video, we're totally open for it. Yun lang naman. That's it. So, thank you ulit for all the support, guys, for making this happen. It was a long time coming.
Smart lock?
Yeah.
Uy, smart lock.
Okay lang rin. Sobrang high-tech
Dami,
naman
sobrang
ng bahay
sobrang
natin.
high-tech ng bahay.
Dahil po. Gate, automatic gate. Ano pa?
Yung bag dapat nakaka-connect kay Alexa.
Motion sensor na ilaw.
I don't know, like anything. Let us know. We're open for that. So just email me at glocogamer@gmail.com. O sa mga tao dyan na gustong support yung mga viewers natin, you can help by like, I don't know, tagging some brands.
Oo nga,
You know,
baka makahelp. Yun.
Or sharing those videos or yung mga namin to certain brands na gustong mag-pitch in. So ayun lang naman. I'll just update you guys regularly, hopefully bi-monthly, which means like every 2 weeks at least. Ayun. Baka bukas nga pumunta na ako para maggawa ng update.
Bukas. Ay, wala pala ako
It's,
dito this weekend.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything you guys are planning on adding on the house sa tingin nyo?
Sana may
what's
magbigay
something
ng
you would add?
Sana may magbigay ng cookware. Yung mga panglutuan. We're gonna cook. Me and Vanilla will cook again.
Okay. Damn. Cooking with Ken and John again.
Siyempre.
Ain't no way.
Cooking show,
We're
bro.
bringing it back. We're bringing it back. The kitchen's pretty nice. We have
Yeah.
may bar doon.
Damn, may kainan na
kitchen.
talaga. Oh my God.
May kainan na talaga. Okay.
Oh my God.
Kainan na magiging pod table din.
Pod table. MTG.
Ikaw, Ken, what else do you think should be added sa house?
Yun lang. Gusto ko lang yun lang naisip ko so far. Para mabalik namin yung cooking show.
Okay,
Makikita
okay.
lagi yun.
John, anything you think should be added to the house?
Wala.
He's happy with it ba?
Damn. Okay. Neil, as
Baka
our
suggestion.
neighbor.
Yeah, baka
If
suggestion.
you were, anong gusto mo as a neighbor dun?
Gym equipment.
Jimmy, uy! That would be fucking nice!
Actually,
That would be nice!
Actually,
Pero
a
that's-
gym fucking area there.
Sa labas lang.
Oo,
Maliliit
sa labas
lang, malilit lang.
Masisilong nyo lang.
Yeah.
The fucking bench press area there would be fucking good.
Yeah.
Yun. I agree. I actually agree.
I agree, bro.
Kayo na bahala dyan, ha? Oh, shit! Baka may mag-sponsor ng gym equipment dyan. Holy shit. We'll take it.
We will
We'll
fucking take it, bro.
absolutely take it. Let us know. Contact us, okay? Super open now. Pag mga ganyan, just, i-subject nyo lang, Gloco, for the house. Yun, subject nyo yun sa email nyo. Okay? Babasahin ko agad yan. Yun. We did a groundbreaking. It was pretty cool, I guess.
I don't know what's the point of that, pero yes.
Hindi, it's just a tradition.
Tradition
Like
thing.
a time capsule thing. But, ayun, for good luck. Pero I think like may mga nagko-comment na rin na parang, damn, the feng shui is all over the place sa bahay natin.
Eh, yung
I don't
magkatapat
give a
yung
shit.
pinto, ganyan.
I don't believe in
Yeah, I don't
such
give a
thing.
shit. I don't believe in that shit, okay?
Same Gian, I don't
You
believe in such thing.
You know
bro.
what else? You know what else yung mga nag-believe ng feng shui? Yung yung ni Chris Aquino, yung horror movie niya.
Yeah, I know that.
O,
yeah,
di ba? O, sila naniniwala sila sa feng shui. Tingnan mo, minultutuloy. Paano ako na hindi ako naniniwala, di ba? Eh, di wala. Walang mangyayari.
Tama.
Tama.
Diba? I'm just happy na hindi na tayo dadagain doon. Wala talagang daga doon, Neil.
Dito
Kasi
nga,
ang daming
wala.
pusa. Kasi daming pusa.
Ang dahil pusang
Dami po
Ay,
sa
pusa.
nakakawala.
nung isang gabi nga like naglalakad kami. Like, may lahi ba yung pusa na yun? Ba't ang ganda?
Dude, merong pusa na rin dito sa labas, kila Ate Gina. May pusa na dito mataba na is like a really fluffy one. It's just, he likes, tumatambay siya sa labas.
Yun nga,
I
dito
think
dami rin.
nag-evolve na yung mga pusa dito. Ayan, daming pusa dyan. Buti naman, pusa is fine. Wag lang, ay shit, ang dami. May mga tayo ba na pusa dyan na nandito?
Wala.
Ay, ng pusa.
Yeah.
Wala.
Gago
Si-
yung
ang
mga tayo ng pusa, hinaharangan nila yun. Tinatabunan nila yun.
Oo.
Well,
To cover their
they do
scent.
that?
Yes.
Yeah, si Chuchi rin.
Nah, bro,
Inaano niya.
bakit ang daming mga ligaw na tae dito sa labas ko?
Kasi
Wala
wala
naman
lupa.
kasi
pusa yan.
mga ano dyan.
Kasi wala ng lupa.
Baka mga
Hindi
manok
tayo
yan.
ni ano yun, hindi tayo ni biscuit yun.
Baka mga manok yan or yun to.
Hindi, laki-laki naman para sa tae ng manok.
Baka tae ng tao.
Ginagago na pala ako dito.
Pero yeah, dito maganda yung park. Si Chuchi doon ko sa park pinapapupo lagi. May naglilinis ng park kasi may association fee dito. May
Damn,
ano
no
ng
way.
damo. Bzzzt. May
No way, Neil's such a menace here, bro.
may nag-aano ng basura.
Oh, shit.
That's good.
Sana all.
Medyo pa may basura yun.
Yung basura namin nandito na. Tagal.
So ikaw pala, knowing full well na may association fee, pinapatay mo na si Chuchi doon. Like, Chuchi, take a shit.
Take a shit, bro.
Maglilinis yan.
Sulitin na natin
Ain't
to.
no way, Neil, oh.
One time
Yeah,
na
bro.
napagalitan
No,
ako
you're
may
fucking
CCTV sila sabi. Yan yung tumae nung madaling araw no. Hindi po ka ako. Siya yun.
Siya yun.
Sige po, pupulutin ko
Ayun.
na po. Wait lang po. Kun lang ako ng pumulot.
He tried to fight it, tapos na-realize niya na, oh putang ina, baka may
May
CCTV to.
CCTV.
Oh,
Puta, ito lang naman yung isang golden retriever dito eh. Poki lang yan.
simula
May
na doon na
ari.
lang ako sa park.
Ain't no way, this guy
CCTV.
fucking found another place to dump his shit.
Hindi, yung park kasi
Oh.
dala na lang pamulot. Okay na yan.
Tama.
Ay, tingnan mo,
Wala
natawan
nang
yung
pumulit.
gago. Ain't no way, bro. Come on, bro. You're putting
Fertilizer
dog
kasi
owners
yun.
into, ano. Hindi, tangina.
Kasi tag-ulan, so naano rin sila na
Hindi, wag
didissolve.
mo i-justify yung
Tapos umaano
kababuyan.
sa ilalim ng mga damo, tumutuboy damo, di ba?
Are you planning on putting pets in the PR house?
Kayo.
Son,
Me?
you
Oh,
have
no.
cats, man. You have
Hell nah, bro.
No,
I strongly
okay.
believe that nurturing life to live is to suffer. So nurturing life is being a selfish motherfucker, bro. Alam mo yun?
Whoa,
Whoa.
bakit?
Lagi ko
Damn.
nang sinasabi sa GF ko na masaya ka ba sa pusa mo ha? Kasi lagi mo silang kinukulong and they look at the outside the window and they not free. And then syempre yung mga mindset ng mga may-ari ng mga aso and pusa like, no, they're safe with me. Like you fucking it's like, that's like borderline torture, you know? Like these animals, these lives are meant to be free.
Holy shit.
Alam mo yun,
man.
and be
This guy
happy.
is speaking the language of the God, bro.
You think masaya si Chuchi? Nakukulong siya dyan sa bahay. He's supposed to be free, bro. To live is to suffer, bro. Kaya di na ako kaya never kung, alam mo yun,
Ako talaga
naisip
do
na parang
kasi
kukuha ako ng aso or pusa or anything. On my
it's
own, you
another
know?
responsibility. I cannot take.
If you think about it, bro, parang like sometimes dogs' lives are better than humans, you know?
Sabi ko nga,
Don't pay
sabi ko nga,
ayaw nga natin
paano
lumabas
aso na lang ako
ng
nagbas
bahay
kanina
eh. Oo eh. Putang ina, ayaw nga natin lumabas ng bahay. Yung mga aso natin na nakakulong lang kasama tayo, kumakain, tulog, tae.
Rinse and repeat, bro.
Rinse and repeat, bro.
May,
They don't
parang
have to pay the
Ragnar, you know,
bills.
the moment you open the door, he just bolts out. Ganun, you know?
Yeah,
He
bro.
wants to be free, bro.
See, look at
Ay, si Chuchi.
look at Chuchi,
Hindi.
bro. Oh, paano mo nasabi?
Paano mo
Labi
nasabi,
ni Chuchi.
Ano
Look at him.
nasabi?
You look at how sad Chuchi is. Look at him. Look at his
Damn,
face,
bro.
bro. Do you think he
See?
likes being in a cone?
See, exactly,
Damn,
bro.
bro.
See? Kaya, see, look at that shit. See? Exactly, bro.
Look at that shit, bro.
Siyempre, nilagyan ni Neil ng
This one
cone
is
para di na niya scratch yung ano niya. Hindi na siya gagastos ng malaki, o, diba? To live is to suffer, bro.
To live is to
To
suffer.
live is to suffer.
To live is to suffer, bro. Kaya dapat kabayo na lang anuhin natin, oh.
Exactly, bro.
At least yung kabayo, they can run around, run free.
Also, I
Happy.
will be fucking
And then,
grim. Your pets will die sooner than you.
Exactly, bro. That's true, bro.
Gonna be painful,
That's
bro.
actually true.
Pero good for you, no? Training yourself
good
to,
for you, bro.
alam mo yung process that
Except if you had a
loss
turtle,
and
bro.
grief.
That's why you get a
Putang
turtle,
ina.
bro.
Tangina mo.
Get a tortoise, bro. That tortoise
Putang
will
ina
live
daw.
for like
Will
2
outlive
generations,
you,
bro.
will-
It will
Gonna
outlive you,
motherfucker.
your children, your grandchildren, putang ina. And I don't even need to go out that much because they hate fucking running.
Pero yung
They
pumunta
just
kami
wanna
ng ano,
chill,
pumunta
bro.
kami ng Yuki's farm. There's like big turtles there, mga tortoise, mga ganun. They're just
yeah.
feeding them shit and then ilang taon na to? Ay ito 100 na to, 100 something. What
Holy shit.
the fuck?
Mas matanda pa to sa lola ko.
Parang nasa itlog, parang DNA pa lang ako ng grandparents ko. Ganun. Ang ina, what the fuck is this?
Dude, if I'm gonna get next pet, like I'm gonna get a tortoise, bro. Yung sulcata, those things. Like,
I'll never understand kasi yung nakita ko ang liliit nun, di ba? Do they shed their their
they
shell
don't.
grow then, like, alam mo yun?
No, they just grow. They grow together with the fucking
Shell, okay.
Kasi
Parang
they're-
so yung shell
Yun
nila
nga
parang
weird
koko.
eh. Like usually,
Ano?
yun nga ang weird, no? Like
As in-
fucking
as in
turtle-
shells
I've never
are hard,
seen it.
you know?
Yeah, they are, but they're part
Mapiyo
of
ka.
the fucking body. It grows with them, like a snail.
Oh, fuck.
Which is weird. Because putang ina, like most reptiles, they shed their skin. I've never. You know what? Holy shit! Dude, turtles shed their skin.
Giving you something to think about.
Oo nga, no? That is so weird.
Kasi may
Yes,
nakita ko
turtles
dun.
shed their skin and shell scutes. What?
Whoa,
Whoa, they
so parang
do.
crab. Nakita mo na ba mag-ano yung crab?
Oh shit, they actually shed their shell as well.
Damn, bro. So parang ang crab.
Whoa, bro. Alam mo yung parang Dr. Stone? Like, they fucking break their...
Oo. ayun.
na bibiyak yung armor nila. God damn. Dude, that's
Double
fucking
romance, bro.
cool, man.
Double
I learned
romance.
something today.
Learned something today, bro. On a podcast. Think about
On a
it.
podcast. God damn. I mean, totoo nga, no? It doesn't just grow together. They actually shed it to grow it. Galing, fucking tortoise, bro. I love tortoise. A lot, turtles. Yeah, if I was gonna get a new pet, I'd probably get a turtle. Papalakayin ko siya, gago. I'll be like a
Tinangin.
100-year-old man, and then the turtle is just chilling there with me, bro.
Gago,
Alam mo sa Japan,
kakainin ni Chuchi.
Oo, gago. Hindi gago. We'll beat the shit out of Chuchi, bro.
Nah, bro. This shit's gonna be slow, bro.
Nah, bro. He's gonna, have you seen a tortoise like bash its head, like parang yung mga races na tortoise?
What the fuck?
Makita silang itim. Gaganin.
Alam mo ba ano pinakamabilis na na animal?
Ano?
Ikaw, hayop ka.
It's
Turtle.
it's the snail.
The snail.
Yeah, bro.
Pinakamabilis.
Yes, pinakamabilis.
Sige, why, ha?
Okay,
Where's
I
that?
will
Puta
indulge
lang ba,
you.
ostrich?
I will indulge your fucking
Fastest.
delusion.
Sige,
Yes,
why?
sige, go.
Why?
Why?
Bro, pagkataas ng ulan, andyan bigla sila, tapos biglang nawawala. How? Okay, how?
This fucking...
I will fucking kill this
How,
guy.
bro?
Kill him!
How?
Kill this motherfucker!
How, bro? How? Paano sila biglang andyan na lang sa pinto ko, tapos maya-maya biglang nawawala? Ay, saan na nagpunta yun? Nag-despawn? Ano yun?
Gago, life is a simulation, gago.
Gago, baka natapakan mo kagaya ng ginawa mo sa
Hindi.
Prenigian, gago.
Kinain ni Chuchi yung gago.
As in, wala man lang bakas kung saan nagpunta, di ba? Pag umano sila, may bakas sila. Wala!
Ito-teleport pala sila.
Inang.
Feeling ko totoo, nagte-teleport yung snail. Ay.
Gago, legit. Pag ino-observe sila, mabagal sila, gago.
Mabagal.
Tapos pag wala,
Mabagal.
they just get the fuck.
Ano siya, SCP siya gago. Si Peanut.
Holy shit. Imagine, you know.
Yeah.
Have you ever
Legit
seen a
yun,
snail
bro.
move fast? So, di ba? No, bro. Does it stop the theory of it being fast pag wala
Ganito
natin?
nila. Ganito nila kay. Ganito nila. Next time you see a snail, put a camera there.
Nah, bro. It will not work.
Time-lapse that shit.
That doesn't
It will
work, bro. Nakita mo ba yung quantum experiment, you know, pag alam ng atoms or whatever na
Napanood
ini-observe sila, they will never
sila gagalaw.
yeah, they will be random, gago.
What the fuck?
It will never work, bro. Damn, maybe Trinil is right. Maybe Trinil is right.
Nah, bro. I will kill Trinil, bro.
Bakit?
Gago tayo mo, mawawala na ito bigla, gago.
You know what?
Ito
You know what?
Men in Black.
You know what? You know what? It's my fault for having the internet, bro. Okay.
It's my fault for having
My
ears. Nice.
It's my fault for doing this podcast that we had to like hear that shit. Okay. My bad.
Baka totoo yung Naruto.
Damn, bro.
Nah, bro. Stop the cap. Anyways, tortoise, bro.
Tortoise,
I
bro.
want Tortoise next time. We're open for tortoise sponsorship.
What the fuck?
Yung life.
Mas tatanda pa sa
Lifetime.
amin.
Pero dapat kasama na yung yung enclosure, yung yung ilaw, yung pagkain niya for the rest of his life, bro.
What the fuck?
So much, ano.
Kupal ka ba, boss?
We're just gonna nurture this shit. Yun nga parang ako, that before, I really thought that parang, yung bata ko, giving a person a pet was like one of the highest form of praise, you know? Yung parang, like, this would be the best fucking gift ever. Like, parang sana all, di ba? And then, I turned into an adult, and I'm like, I see people giving, like, a puppy, or a tortoise, or something, and I'm like, God damn, I can't believe you just gave someone a responsibility.
Possibility.
You know?
That
You
is-
gifted
that's it,
someone
bro.
responsibility. And hindi nila iniisip yun before, and now they have to deal with it. Sa simula, they're like, oh my God, I want this. It's always what I wanted. bakit? Just putang ina, hindi nila aasikasuhin.
Malay mo, yung iba gusto talaga ng companionship.
Good
diba?
for them kung ganun, di ba? Pero how about others who just randomly got it na hindi naman hilingi, no?
Well, hopefully,
Pwede ka naman tumanggi.
Hirap naman tanggihan yun, di ba?
hopefully hindi mo abot sa point na parang, alam mo yung mga
Wait.
na-abandon na mga
Yung Dick
pets.
face ba?
what?
Binigay ba sa'yo na
Oh.
binili mo?
Oh, I bought him, bro.
Oh, yun, bro. Actually,
Fucking guy lived such a long life.
Ang
you
dala
wanna
pala
get
ng Dick face.
reminded, Ken, ha? You wanna get reminded
Okay,
of how he probably hates his life, ha? Like,
What
siguro
the fuck?
30% of his life, he was living with another dude.
Yeah.
He was fighting for
That's right.
territory, bro.
That's right, bro. He was lost his life, bro, for 7, 8 years. Holy, 6 years.
He's fighting.
Dude was only seeing everything that I've been seeing in my screen. Probably, dude already saw me jack off so many times, and he's just like, damn, this is my life.
Di ba, si bitch ass
Puta
gago.
ka.
Akala mo babae siya, di ba? Laki pala yung...
Lalaki pala siya. No wonder they
So,
didn't, they
naglalaban
didn't get
sila.
it on.
No wonder walang anak
Putang
ka.
ina. I wonder if that guy's still alive, bitch ass. Probably.
Kanina
is.
binigay mo lang ba yun?
Yeah,
Huh? Oh, yeah, I gave it away. I gave him away. He's probably living a good life.
probably living a good life.
Hopefully.
Better than he probably getting some bearded dragon.
Buzzy, bro, buzzy.
Dick face, he never, bro.
He never,
Dick
bro.
face, bro.
Poor
He
Dick
died
face,
a virgin, bro.
He died a
He
virgin.
died a virgin. Dick face died a wizard, bro.
He has attained.
He's
He
not in
became a
peace, bro.
warlock, bro. Became... Holy shit.
Maybe one day he just realized, I'm never getting any bearded dragon poop. Maybe I'll just die, bro. He just died of cringe.
Putang ina.
Pero like 6 years is holy shit, it's pretty long.
Ano ba yung
Like,
average
bearded
lifespan nila?
dragon- Natin.
Parang average life pa 15 years pala. No? They just killed himself, bro.
I think so. Lifespan of bearded dragon. So typically 3 to 12 years,
Ooh.
depende.
Oh.
Eto, with proper care is typically 8 to 12 years. Ain't no way, bro.
Damn, bro. With
Damn.
proper
He
care,
died
bro.
of
He died,
Damn, bro.
young.
You
Some
died
people,
young, bro.
bearded dragon can live 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15. They live in the wild up to 9. What the fuck?
Of course, mas fresh dun eh. The wild, bro.
Alright, the wild.
The wild.
But yeah, ayun. So yeah, rest in peace, Dick face.
Rest in
Rest in peace.
Face.
I'm pretty sure he
We
did
will
not
miss you, bro.
live a fulfilled life as a bearded dragon, but
Ayun yun, sa
thanks for-
Skyblock
thanks for
natin.
teaching me the ways. Oh god, pati siya doon. Yeah, bro. He
Ayaw
was
nga
cursed
pala.
all along.
It was cursed from the beginning.
He was cursed from the beginning. Ayun, anything else you guys want to say about the house?
wala
or,
naman.
Nothing, bro.
Kasi
Okay,
antayin na natin matapos, hopefully. Matapos agad.
Well, we'll check the other updates in the future. Other news is may kita san black na ako, motherfuckers!
When did you get
Damn,
it, bro?
bro.
When,
Bro, I
bro?
got it I actually got it from Thailand, bro. Habang nanonood kami ng Muay Thai ni
Ni Royce.
Damn, bro. You capin.
Damn, bro.
Kailangan lang pala ng ng bagong internet eh. Kailangan lang ng new server.
Ayaw, na-upload na ba yung
pinasa-
podcast na nakita sa Black? Gago, it's
What
Thursday
podcast
today. May podcast pala mamaya.
It's gonna be uploaded literally tonight, yung podcast na yun.
Yeah.
So, they're about to find out, bro. I got Kitasan back. So,
At what
I don't have
cost
to bitch
yan?
about. Wala na mag-good morning sa akin. Okay? Ako nang mag-good morning sa kanila. All I have to do now is get her to MLB, but it should be fine. Ano pa ba? I think that's it.
That's it, bro.
That's it for me, bro. That's it for me.
That is for me.
So, that's it for our podcast for this week. Wala si Chris kasi may lagnat siya. Hopefully, he'll join us on the next podcast. Yeah. You know who will still join us in the next podcast?
Oh!
Ano?
Ito, Patreon.
Si Trinil!
Whoa,
Alam si
what
Trinil
the
eh.
fuck? At ituro mo Neil yung hindi dinadala yung aso nila sa park para magtae doon. Ituro mo.
Ito!
Hindi.
Sino yan?
Ituro mo, hindi yan. Hindi
Ako!
yan. Ituro mo, hindi ikaw. Hindi
Asan
ikaw.
na ba?
Ginawa mo nga. Ituro mo yan. Ayan.
Siya!
Yan. O, diba? Thank you so much to our dear
Thank you.
Patreons. Maraming salamat for continued support ano sa mga bago natin dyan. And I hope to see you guys continue your support. And sa mga gusto dyan mag-support then you can go ahead and hop onto our Patreon. Patreon.com/PinoysRealm. Thank you so much for support. And also, if you guys wanna listen to us Spotify natin. Updated na ba yan?
Yes.
Okay. Updated na yun po yung ating Spotify. Go to spotify.com/PNoise podcast. And do follow us din sa ating mga ibang channels. Main channel, youtube.com/PinoysPlays. And for reaction videos,
Finish
Pinoys
react.
Reacts. Pinoys Reacts. Ayun. Pinoy Sales, wala parang balita. Ewan ko sa kanila. Wala akong pakialam doon. Yun, thank you so much, guys. We'll see you guys again next week.
Bye-bye.
Next week!
Thank you guys.
Alright. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.